Is your child preparing for the CogAT 5th grade test? It's natural to feel unsure about where to start, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the test format and walk you through practice questions from all 9 sections. By the end, your child will feel prepared and ready to take on the challenge. Grab a notebook and invite your child to join us. Let's make preparation simple and effective. Before we jump into the practice questions, let's take a quick look at how the CogAT is organized. The test has 3 main batteries: nonverbal, quantitative, and verbal, each divided into 3 subtests, making a total of 9 sections. Here's a quick snapshot of the test structure to help you understand what to expect. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to solve some practice questions. The first subtest we'll cover is figure matrices, which is part of the nonverbal battery. The following question has 3 figures. The first 2 figures in the top row go together. The third figure in the bottom row goes with one of the answer choices. Choose the answer choice that goes with the third figure. You can pause the video to examine it carefully. In the top row, we have 2 figures. How do they go together? As we move from left to right, the white triangles change into black diamonds. The arrows rotate 180 degrees but remain white. The number of circles increases by 1, and the circles change colors from black to white. We can eliminate option 1 as it contains a white arrow but not 4 white circles. We can eliminate option 3 as it contains a white diamond, not a black one. In addition, this answer choice contains black circles instead of white ones. We can eliminate option 4 as it contains 3 circles instead of 4. Finally, we can eliminate option 5 as it contains an arrow that has not been rotated. We are left with option 2, which is the correct answer. The next subtest is figure classification. In this question, the first 3 figures are alike in some way. Choose the figure from the answer choices that goes with the first 3 figures. In this question, the top 3 figures contain a series of different shapes that fit one inside the other. Notice that the inner and outer shapes are always the same color, but the middle shape has a different color. The first choice is incorrect as all the shapes have different colors. The second choice is incorrect because all the shapes are the same. The third choice is incorrect as the inner and outer shapes are not the same color. Finally, the 5th choice is incorrect because all shapes have similar colors. Therefore, the 4th choice is the correct answer. The final subtest in this nonverbal battery is paper folding. This question shows a paper folded several times and then punched with holes. The answer choices contain unfolded papers with punched-in holes. You need to determine which of the answer choices is the final product of the unfolded punched-in paper. First, the square is folded diagonally in half from top right to bottom left corners. Then it is folded again in 4 quarters, where only the bottom quarter is visible. Then 3 holes are punched in the folded quarter. They form a triangle-like figure near the top vertex. Since the paper is folded in half twice, the holes are punched through 4 layers of paper. The holes will mirror diagonally according to the creases, so essentially, the creases act as mirrors. Therefore, when the paper is unfolded, it will have 12 holes. They are all gathered around the center of the original figure, forming a big H-like pattern made of holes but in a diagonal alignment. Therefore, the correct answer is 2. These questions might seem tricky at first, but with practice, they'll start to feel like second nature. Using an actual piece of paper at home can make these concepts clearer. Try it out for extra practice. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support lets us create more resources to help your child excel. All right, let's move on to the next battery of the test, the quantitative battery. The first subtest on this battery is number analogies. This question shows 2 pairs of numbers with a certain mathematical connection and another number that shares that connection with one of the answer choices. Find the missing number for the third pair. Look for the pattern in the first series of numbers. We get from 29 to 10 by subtracting 9 first, then dividing by 2. Likewise, we get from 41 to 16 by using the same pattern. The next series of numbers should follow the same pattern. So, the correct answer is 42. The next subtest in this battery is called number series. This question shows a series of numbers that have a rule. Use the rule to determine which number will come next in the series. In the series, the next number is obtained by dividing the previous number by 2, and then subtracting 2 in the first turn, 3 in the second turn, and so on. So, the correct answer is 42. The final subtest in this battery is number puzzles. In this question, you are given equations with a missing number, indicated with a question mark. You must solve the equations to determine what number should replace the question mark. Let's start by solving the third equation. Now we use this value in the second equation. Add 4 to both sides to find the value of the star. Now use the value of the star in the first equation. So the correct number that goes in place of the question mark is 25. Breaking down each problem step by step is the key to success here. Encourage your child to approach each question with patience. It's a great way to strengthen their problem-solving skills. If you're looking for more ways to help your child succeed, check our comprehensive practice package, linked in the description and pinned comment below. It's filled with realistic simulations and targeted drills to ensure your child feels confident and ready for test day. Now, let's move on to the last battery of the 5th grade CogAT test, the verbal battery. The first subtest in this battery is called verbal analogies. This question shows a pair of words that go together in a certain way, and a third word. Choose a word from the answer choices that goes together with the third word in the same way. The correct answer is rim. A thread is on a spool. A tire is on a rim. In this case, the first word is an item that is stored or used on the second item. The next subtest we'll cover is sentence completion. In this question, you need to choose the words from the answer choices that best complete the sentence. One reason why hiking in the mountains can be blank is that at higher blank, the air becomes thinner and breathing more difficult. The correct answer is strenuous and elevations. Strenuous best captures the physical effort required for mountain hiking, and elevations refers to the high altitudes where the air thins, making breathing harder. All right, now we arrived at the final subtest of the test, which is called verbal classification. This question provides 3 words that are alike in some way. Decide how they are alike, and choose the word that belongs in the same group as the first 3 words. The correct answer is a pamphlet. A brochure, magazine, booklet, and pamphlet are printed informational materials one might find at a rest stop, in a doctor's office, etc. Congratulations on completing this CogAT practice session. By making practice a regular habit, you're giving your child the tools they need to excel. And if you'd like to dive deeper into test prep, check out our comprehensive CogAT practice package. It's packed with 27 tests and hundreds of questions designed to boost confidence and performance. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment below. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create even more helpful content for parents like you. Every small step you take today helps pave the way for your child's success tomorrow. Keep going strong, and we'll see you in the next video.